Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's me, Romz. In today's video, it's gonna be a short tutorial on how I made this very cute paper heart that you can add any messages inside. And if you're new to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do so. It will definitely help my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be updated on my next videos. So let's get started. The materials that we need for today are the following. You will need colored papers, a marker, glue stick, a pair of scissors, a pencil, and a ruler. You will need to cut 4.5 by 4.5 inches of paper and 4 by 4 inches of paper. And then you will have to draw a heart shape into the paper and cut them so that you can create a heart-shaped paper. Once done cutting all of the heart-shaped papers, you will now going to assemble them. And it's optional if you have a cutting machine like me, you can cut those heart-shaped papers through your machine. And then we're going to glue them together to create our base. And then cut the center of the heart like so. And then glue the folded paper into our heart. And ta-da! It's so cute, eh? I told you it's very easy to make. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you do, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you have any comments or any suggestions that you would like me to do next, just comment down below. And I will see you on my next one. Thank you! Have a good day! Bye!